A sprained wrist or twisted ankle needs immediate stabilization, but an improperly applied compression wrap can actually cut off circulation or let the joint slip further out of alignment. To get the application right, we are using this specific material, the ELASTOCRAFT Bandage by Cotton Crepe Private Limited. Notice the dense vertical ridges in this image. This heavy woven texture provides a high friction grip, ensuring the premium hold required for joint stabilization. Today, we are going to apply this bandage to a wrist using the professional figure 8 method. By learning this specific overlapping technique with this material, you ensure the joint stays rigidly supported while keeping blood flow completely open, accelerating a safe return to your daily activities. Step 1 is orientation. Place the bandage on the arm so it mimics a snail shell. The bulk of the roll must face upward, resting lightly on the skin. The side profile diagram shows why orientation matters.
Pulling from the top gives you direct leverage over the fabric, allowing for precise tension control. If you unroll from underneath, you lose that leverage entirely. With the roll facing up, place the starting edge of the bandage at the base of the palm, just below the fingers. Keep the fabric flat and wrap it in a complete circle around the hand exactly twice. Keep the material relatively loose during this step. Do not stretch the elastic past 50% of its maximum capacity to prevent immediate constriction. A smooth, flat anchor wrap provides the foundational grip for the rest of the application. If this base layer is twisted or too tight, the entire structure will eventually slip down the arm. With the anchor secure, angle the bandage diagonally down across the back of the hand toward the wrist. Pull the fabric smoothly under the wrist joint and bring it diagonally back up across the palm to complete the sequence. You are going to repeat this exact cycle, gradually migrating the pattern further down the forearm with each pass. As you move down, follow the overlap rule. Every new wrap must cover exactly half the width of the previous layer. These rapid, interlocking angles pull the elastic fibers together, quickly building a tight, unified cast around the joint. Because of the intersecting layers, the figure 8 conforms precisely to the natural shape of the wrist. It distributes pressure evenly across the ligaments, rather than pinching them in a single spot. Once you run out of bandage, tuck the end flat and lock it in place using the provided metal clips or a strip of medical tape. The physical wrapping is complete, but you must immediately verify safety by performing a capillary refill check. Firmly pinch one of the fingernails on the wrapped hand for 2 seconds until the nail bed turns pale white, then release your grip. Look at this split-screen comparison. For a healthy wrap, that pale white color must flush back to a healthy pink in under 2 seconds, matching the image on the right. If the color takes longer to return, or if you feel any numbness or throbbing, the tension is too high. You must take the bandage off completely and restart the process. A structurally perfect wrap is useless if it blocks circulation. Proper blood flow clears out swelling and delivers necessary nutrients, making it just as vital to the healing process as the bandage itself.